Hey there! Welcome to our YouTube video, where we dive into a common problem that can arise in the tech world. Picture this: a closed question due to a tricky situation, like an error caused by repositories being marked as private during an internal change test. This type of problem can really throw a wrench in your plans, especially when you're trying to access important repositories. But fear not, we got a solution up our sleeves that will help you navigate through this issue seamlessly. Now, onto the solution. The teams are aware of the issue and are working diligently to restore the public Git repositories that were mistakenly made private. This means that accessing the repositories and getting back to your tasks should be back to normal soon. It's always reassuring to know that there are dedicated teams out there ready to tackle these unexpected hiccups. Remember, problems may arise, but quick solutions are on the way. In summary, encountering unexpected errors like repositories being marked as private can definitely put a damper on your workflow. However, the good news is that the teams are on it and working towards resolving the issue promptly. Keep calm and carry on coding. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Who knew tech troubleshooting could be this exciting, right?